In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get a home improvement loan. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. A home improvement loan can help you finance renovations or upgrades to your home. So in this video, I'm going to talk about the most common types and how to obtain a home improvement loan. So the four main types are going to be a home equity loan, a home equity line of credit, a personal loan, and a cash out refinance. On most websites, you will find home improvement loan under the available personal loans that they have. But of course, you can explore various different services, online lenders, and so on. Now, if you would like a home equity loan, this one you will be able to borrow against the equity in your home. It often offers lower interest rates than credit cards. For a home equity line of credit loan, you will be able to do it similar to a credit card, allowing you to borrow as needed up to a pre-approved limit. For the personal loan, you will get a loan from a bank or credit union for a specific purpose, including home improvements, and it can be obtained quickly with fixed interest rates. Finally, you have cash out refinance, refinancing your existing mortgage to a larger amount, keeping the difference. This can lower your monthly payment or provide a lump sum for improvements. With all of this info out of the way, I want to showcase three places where you are able to get a home improvement loan. So, Lightstream, SoFi, and Wells Fargo all offer some sort of home improvement loan. So, Wells Fargo and SoFi will have it listed under personal loans. So, you will be able to go over to personal loans and choose home improvement loan. As you can see, you will be able to start the process and check the rates available for you and the loan options that they have. So, all that you have to do is follow through the instructions here. You will be able to find a location and either go over to a specific branch or possibly do it online, depending on the service that you choose. You will have to include some personal information here, and as long as you are able to include all of the necessary details, you will be able to get this process done and see your rates. So just follow through the instructions. Like I said, you also have the option to use Lightstream. They have kitchen or bath remodel and some other loan options, and you will be able to click apply now and follow through the instructions just like you would with SoFi or Wells Fargo. Now sadly, because this contains a lot of personal information, I won't be able to show you the full process on screen, but by doing it through any of these websites, you can just follow along, include your personal information, security information as you can see here, and you will be able to confirm and submit to see the amount that you get and the term that you were approved for, including all of the monthly payments that you have to do and how much you will have available. I hope I was able to help you on how to get a home improvement loan. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.